Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton. As always, every week I'm here looking through the shelves, seeing what I can find that is back in stock for your Norton bikes this week. So let's take a look and see what I found. So item number one this week, part number 031651, the handlebars for the P11 and the P11A, chrome plated as well, £61 and 14 pence including VAT. Next up is the wheel rim and hub assembly for the 1975 on the 850 Mark III Commandos. That's part number 066025. That part is £594 including VAT. Next up is part number 060620/1, the exhaust pipes for the 1968 to 70 Commando. This is a pair of exhaust pipes and they are level pipes as well. This is £278 and 3 pence including VAT. Next is part number 062464, the exhaust lock ring in chrome. That's £25 and 14 pence. And last up this week, the front master cylinder assembly for the pre-850 Mark IIIs. That is part number 064871/13, and that item is £355 and 14 pence including VAT. And as always, everything I've mentioned is linked in the section below. And if you want to set up yourself a reminder so your item that you really need, you know when it comes back in stock, there's a link in the section below to a video which will take you through the whole process on the Andover Norton website, which is basically like a tick box exercise. And once you've done that, you'll get an email sent to you when that item comes back in stock. Thanks ever so much for watching this week, and until next time, safe riding.